风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。
Joseph， 我问你哦，平常你打电话的时候，第一句话你会问什么
？Hello。
Hello 之后
，Hello 可能要请问。
哦，对，呛问。
呛问。
对。那你想找谁嘞？
像我们总经理好了，白总经理。
好，呛问拍总经理有才冇？
呛问拍总经理有才冇？
冇才记得开会
啊，他在开会是不是，
他在开会。
那这时候我应该还要再问，那请问你们这个今天会要开到几点啊？
对，基本日会要开到几多点？
基本日会要开到几多点 ？OK， 几多点就是几点嘛，就是开到几点。When will the meeting end? When can I talk to the general manager after that, right? Okay, there you go. Let's review some of these terms, such as, excuse me, 请问，
呛问
and then 在吗？
有才冇？
有才冇 is that person there. And then what time? 几点？
几多点？
几多点 That's what time. There you have it. Another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什么大家？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.